Hello everybody, welcome to EduTap and also welcome to another very important video related to NABARD grade A examination, and today we are going to decode the ARD syllabus. So why have we made a very separate and dedicated video for ARD? I will let you know, but before that here's an announcement that you can subscribe to our YouTube channel for syllabus related as well as strategy related videos related to the regulatory body exams, and also you can join our Telegram channel to get the PDF of this and every lecture that we provide here on YouTube. ठीक है, अब बात करते हैं सबसे पहले दैट व्हाई आर वी इवन फोकसिंग ऑन एआरडी सब्जेक्ट, राइट? व्हाई इज इट important, or is there any importance of this subject or not, right? So if we look for the pattern of the examination, so it's phase 1 and phase 2. In both the component, ARD has a very major role to play. Why major role to play? Because if you look for the phase 1 in phase 1, if you look at it, ARD 40 questions are asked, a lot of questions are asked. And also let me tell you that merit, it also belongs to the merit section. So what is merit section? So basically for phase 1 to clear, you have to clear sectional cutoff of all the subjects, but you have to clear an overall cutoff from 3 subjects, which is your general awareness, ESI and ARD. So you have to score good enough marks to even get through the overall merit as well. Okay, and when you clear phase 1, once you clear phase 1 and you enter phase 2, in paper 2 you have 2 subjects that are asked, ESI, that is economy and social issues, and then ARD. And so if you talk about your overall paper 2 is of 100 marks, so 50-50 division is there. So ये आपका जो 50% है of paper 2, that comes from your ARD only. ठीक है, that is why ARD subject is actually very important. And in fact, let me tell you, if you're going for specialist post, so for specialist post, mains examination, the syllabus is different for paper 2. But even to reach there, you have to clear phase 1, and in phase 1 you have to mandatorily you have to clear the sectional cutoff and a little bit higher to clear the overall cutoff of ARD, of merit section. You have to prepare ARD. तो आज हम उस बारे में बात करेंगे, ठीक है? Now if you look at the notification, so there the syllabus has been provided by the organization, and this is the syllabus that you are looking at, ठीक है? So agriculture and rural development, as the name suggests, so the syllabus is given accordingly. The first portion that you're looking at till this J point, it is your agriculture part, okay, where the different chapters are included, जैसे soil and water conservation है, water resources है, farm and engineering, plantation and horticulture, animal husbandry, fisheries, forestries, agriculture extension, ecology and climate change, and then what are the like present scenarios that are going on. So this is related to more of your current affairs point of view, ठीक है? Then in rural development, if you talk about, so basically if you even if you read the syllabus of rural development, you would realize that much of it chunk, it belongs to your current affairs only. जैसे कि इसमें जैसे basics, you should know the definition that what is a agriculture labor, artisan, handicrafts, right? But here this panchayati raj institution, only this particular portion is the one which is actually, if in examination it comes from static. Rest apart, everything is from your current affairs. For example, your government schemes, what are those related to rural development, right? As you can see mentioned over here, Manrega is a scheme, NRLM is a scheme, rural drinking development water programs, ठीक है, स्वच्छ भारत, रूरल हाउसिंग, जैसे जो भी आपके रूरल डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम्स हैं वो पूछे जाते हैं, ठीक है? तो so what we have got to know from the syllabus, we have understood that okay, some theoretical questions can be asked in the examination and some current affairs can be asked, ठीक है? तो ये तो you have gotten an idea, but now let's come and see that how much from bookish knowledge the questions are asked in examination and how much current affairs are asked, ठीक है? So if you divide the syllabus that has been given by organization, that how much static means what, the theoretical question, the bookish knowledge question, कि कितना थ्योरी से पूछा जाता है, कितना करंट अफेयर्स. So we have realized by looking at 7 to 8 years previous year question papers, we have realized that the weightage of static in ARD, it is pretty much higher, ठीक है? If we talk about in phase 1 where 40 questions are asked from ARD static, I'm sorry, ARD component, out of that 30 to 32 questions are asked from static, while just 8 to 10 questions are asked from current affairs, ठीक है? So you have to understand what is the demand or the weightage of theoretical questions in the exam, ठीक है? If you talk about phase 2, so in phase 2 में in the year 2024, जो आपकी last cycle अभी जो complete हुई है, latest cycle, according to that we have observed that almost equal number of questions were asked both from static and current affairs. But if we go beyond 2024, we have seen that there also the weightage of static is more than current affairs. Okay, so what we have got to know for phase 1, around 80%, 90% will be from static, around 90%, and then the rest will be from current affairs. Okay, in phase 2, either that will be equal, or if the number of questions will be more in certain scenarios, so that will always be of static questions, that will always be theoretical questions. ठीक है, अब बात करते हैं पहले static की, then we will move towards the current affairs. Now this is again the syllabus that was mentioned, we have already looked at it, but now we have just divided it over different sections, like different chapters you can say. One chapter can be basic agriculture, where basic definition, what are its meaning, branches, agronomy के बारे में, ठीक है, all these components, cropping system, cropping pattern, मतलब basics of agriculture you can divide it into one section. Then you have to move ahead and come towards the next chapter, which is soil and water conservation. After that, water resources, where you have to understand like the what are the irrigation management system, what are the types of irrigation, sources of irrigation, ये सब चीजें एग्जाम में पूछी जाती हैं. ठीक है, soil and water conservation में भी what are the major types of soil, about soil fertility, fertilizer, soil erosion, how to conserve soil, etc. ठीक है, ये सारी चीजें एग्जाम में इनसे क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं. Talking about farm and agriculture machinery, so what is machinery and power, what are the different sources, then some examples which are used, right? Some animal machineries, mechanical machineries, electrical machineries, wind machineries. Then processing, for processing means, see, it's not like that anything that is harvested from the field directly it is given to the consumer, no, right? Before that it has to be processed, it has to be cleaned, it has to be in a certain condition so that it can be consumed. So that comes under agriculture processing. So all those things, what are the machineries that are used for the storage purpose, all these questions, such questions are asked. ठीक है, plantation and horticulture is an important component. Then animal husbandry है, fisheries है, forestry, agriculture extension, ecology and climate change. देन वट एवर बी द प्रेजेंट सिनेरियोज, ये हमारा एग्रीकल्चर सेक्शन का पार्ट हो गया. अब अप्रोच क्या है, देखो, नाउ वी हैव सीन, ओके फाइन, वी हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस इज द सिलेबस, ओके फाइन, वी हैव अंडरस्टूड दीज आर द चैप्टर्स, ओके फाइन, वी हैव अंडरस्टूड दैट स्टैटिक इज आस मोर, बट हाउ टू प्रिपेयर, लाइक व्हाट शुड बी द अप्रोच, राइट? सो टू अंडरस्टैंड द अप्रोच, लेट जस्ट लुक एट द प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स, ठीक है, एंड देन वी विल ट्राई टू decode that what sort of question, means how the questions are asked in the examination. ठीक है, if we look for the approach in ARD, or even I would say in general in NABARD, what is the favorite way of asking questions in NABARD exam? It is that they would describe you a certain thing, or a certain definition, certain terminology, and then you would have to guess it. Just for example, if you look at it, which type of agriculture receives rainfall between 750 to 1150 mm? So this is something, the description has been provided and you had to identify कि कौन सी टाइप की है. देखो, एंड द आंसर हियर वाज ड्राई लैंड एग्रीकल्चर, बिकॉज देखो यहाँ पे नाउ इफ यू लुक एट द सिलेबस इट वाज पार्ट ऑफ इट. ठीक है, द व्हाट इज द टाइप ऑफ फार्मिंग सिस्टम, तो ड्राई लैंड एग्रीकल्चर भी इसमें टच होता है, क्रॉपिंग पैटर्न दैट आर फॉलोड इन इंडिया, देन व्हाट आर द प्रॉब्लम्स रिलेटेड टू इट, तो ये उससे डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन है. इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग क्रॉपिंग पैटर्न 4 क्रॉप्स आर ग्रोन बट 1 क्रॉप इज कल्टिवेटेड बिफोर द हार्वेस्ट ऑफ द प्रीवियस क्रॉप. अगेन देखो, क्रॉपिंग पैटर्न एंड क्रॉपिंग सिस्टम इज पार्ट ऑफ योर if is part of your syllabus, and how the questions are asked, the description was given and you have to identify the terminology. Even if you look at it, all the questions are on that sort only, and we highly recommend that for approaching ARD static specifically, be aware of the terminologies. NABARD's favorite way of asking question is not analytical sort of question that you expect in UPSC. Here it's more of a straightforward question. It's like either you know or you don't know. It's like knowing everything, a little bit of everything. You don't have to read one topic in very depth. If you have a little bit knowledge of everything, you will be able to answer most of the question. What is the period of southwest monsoon? ठीक है, तो this part of your agrometeorology. ठीक है, देखो, meteorology is part of your syllabus और उससे आपके ऐसे क्वेश्चन पूछ ले गए थे. What is the tag of certified seed color? आपका seed sowing is part of your syllabus. Then what is the term for the stage of erosion when it becomes exhaustive, leading to formation of finger-like projection? Again, देखो, description was given and you had to then identify the name of that sort of erosion. ठीक है, क्योंकि आपका soil and water conservation का जो part है, जो which is part of your दिस चैप्टर सॉइल कंजर्वेशन, उससे क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है, ठीक है। बिकॉज सॉइल कंजर्वेशन में फर्स्ट वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड सॉइल इरोजन, देन ओनली वी कैन कंजर्व इट। तो उस टॉपिक क्या है, ये रिलेटेड है। देन कमिंग टू विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इरिगेशन प्रोजेक्ट्स हैव कल्चरेबल कमांड एरिया ऑफ 2000 to 10,000 हेक्टेयर। अगेन डिस्क्रिप्शन वाज गिवन एंड यू हैड टू आइडेंटिफाई, एंड हियर इट वाज मेंशन द टाइप ऑफ इरिगेशन प्रोजेक्ट्स आर देयर, माइक्रो इरिगेशन प्रोजेक्ट्स आर देयर, जो भी आपको पूछा गया था, कमांड एरिया डेवलपमेंट, सब चीजें इट इज मेंशन इन द सिलेबस, ठीक है। जो भी आपको whatever topic has been asked in the examination, those 99.9% time they are present in the syllabus. देखो in some year they might ask you out of the syllabus question, but even if they would ask, they would be like one or two question in nature, and two being the maximum, right? So nine out of 40, 38 will be from your syllabus only, so you need not to worry about that. Which of the following is the operational cost of a tractor? Again आपका farm and agriculture engineering से related है, जिसमें you should know the basics, उससे related question था। Plantation and horticulture, which of the following is the process for assessing and sorting different classes and standard of fruit based on size, color, and quality? Again, the description was given. You had to identify, and to which point is it refer to post harvest management, value and supply chain management, ये वाला पोर्शन क्या है, टच हो रहा है, ठीक है। इसके अलावा इफ यू टॉक अबाउट एनिमल हस्बेंड्री, स्पेशली हेयर, वैसे तो देखो इसमें ऑल द टॉपिक्स आर इंपॉर्टेंट, बट इफ आई हैव टू से स्पेसिफिकली, तो यहाँ पे जो डिफरेंट आपकी ब्रीड्स हैं, यूटिलिटी क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ ब्रीड्स एंड दिस कॉमन टर्म्स पर्टेनिंग टू डिफरेंट स्पीशीज ऑफ लाइफ स्टॉक, इट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। सिमिलर इन पोल्ट्री, लाइक व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट ब्रीड्स, एटलीस्ट यू शुड बी अवेयर ऑफ देम एंड टू वेयर डू दे बिलोंग टू, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे भी इफ यू लुक एट इट, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज अ मिल्च एंड ड्रॉट पर्पस ब्रीड, अगेन डिस्क्रिप्शन वाज गिवन, यू हैड टू आइडेंटिफाई। दिस इज हाउ ओनली द अप्रोच इन NABARD एग्जामिनेशन इज। देखो 1 to tough question will be there, 1 to very easy question will be there, but how the maximum questions are asked, maximum questions asked will be asked in this way only, ठीक है, describing something and you would have to identify, ठीक है। अगेन लास्ट वाले चैप्टर, लास्ट वाले कुछ पॉइंट्स कवर करते हैं, जैसे फिशरीज में ऑल्सो यू शुड नो द बेसिक्स ऑफ इट, व्हाट आर द कॉमन टर्म्स पर्टेनिंग टू फिश प्रोडक्शन, what are the types of fishes that exist, and their breeding pattern, such questions are asked। what should be the optimum range of dissolved oxygen for fish to grow, means basics of fisheries, ठीक है। फॉरेस्ट्री में भी which of the following is correct regarding the seed propagation in forest management, ठीक है। अगेन आपका फॉरेस्ट मैनेजमेंट, फॉरेस्ट इकोनॉमिक्स, सिल्विकल्चर, फॉरेस्ट मेंसुरेशन, ऑल दीज आर पार्ट ऑफ योर सिलेबस और उसी से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है। फाइनली एग्रीकल्चर एक्सटेंशन की बात करें, ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे एक्सटेंशन में आपकी केवीके मीन्स, एक्सटेंशन बेसिकली मीन्स दैट वट एवर द साइंटिस्ट दे आर डिस्कवरिंग इन द labs, in the laboratories, that has to be implemented in the field. So who do that? So we have extension methods by which this bridge can be made between laboratory and the field, ठीक है। अब उसी से related if you look at it, question भी again description based है, which of the following extension teaching method shows a group of farmers how something done step by step to teach new techniques and practices, again the description was given and you had to identify the terminology, ठीक है। अब बात करें मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर्स की कौन सी है, तो सी इफ यू लुक एट द प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस यू वुड रियलाइज देयर आर सर्टेन चैप्टर्स which are asked every year, and even the number of questions that are asked are also very high. So we recommend start off with these chapters: agronomy and field crops, farming systems, soil and water conservation, plantation and horticulture crops, animal husbandry, fisheries and forestry। इसमें भी I would say जो ये तीन चैप्टर है, these are the most important। You would realize that every year around 10 to 15 questions are directly from these three chapters, means combined 10 to 15 questions combined from soil, plantation and animal husbandry and poultry. So start off with these chapters, then move ahead towards the other. So now does it mean that whatever the rest of the syllabus that is present, that is not important? No, it would be wrong to say so. देखो when we say these are the most important chapters, we nowhere say that leave rest of the chapters. We say prioritize these chapters and then move towards the chapters which are then present in the notification, ठीक है। Because every year here and there from randomly from other chapters 1 or 2 questions are asked in examinations. Because randomly questions are asked, that is why we have not kept them in most important chapters, but it doesn't mean that those are not important, ठीक है। Finally let's talk about current affairs। अब current affairs we can divide into three sorts. Government schemes are asked in examination, reports and indices are asked in examination, and generic current affairs are asked in examination. ठीक है, अब कैसे टाइप के क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं, लेट्स सी सम एग्जांपल. स्टार्टिंग ऑफ विद गवर्नमेंट स्कीम्स, ऑफ कोर्स एआरडी सेक्शन है तो एग्रीकल्चर एंड फार्मर्स वेलफेयर मिनिस्ट्री इज इंपॉर्टेंट, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ रूरल डेवलपमेंट इज इंपॉर्टेंट, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फिशरीज, एनिमल हस्बेंड्री एंड डेयरिंग इज इंपॉर्टेंट. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, वट एवर बी द सिलेबस, ठीक है, दैट ऑल्सो प्लेज अ मेजर रोल. तो जैसे इकोलॉजी एंड क्लाइमेट चेंज है, सो मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एनवायरमेंट, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ न्यू एंड रिन्यूएबल सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी, यहाँ से भी इफ देर आर सम स्कीम्स दैट आर इन न्यूज, दोज ऑल्सो बिकम इम्पॉर्टेंट. ठीक है, what sort of questions are asked? Again, related to key features, to which ministry do they belong to, who are the eligible beneficiaries, what are the current developments, like the whatever the basics of a scheme is, that can be asked. अब जैसे what is the premium rate of kharif crops under प्रधानमंत्री फसल बीमा योजना, ठीक है, which of the following are the eligible beneficiary under आवास योजना ग्रामीण scheme. To be eligible for उन्नति project, तो आपने how many days you should have worked under मनरेगा, ठीक है, again the basics, ठीक है, जो गवर्नमेंट स्कीम से पूछे जा सकते हैं. रिपोर्ट्स की बात करें तो सी व्हेन इट कम्स टू नबार्ड एग्जामिनेशन, तो डेफिनेटली नबार्ड एनुअल रिपोर्ट इज इंपॉर्टेंट, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर एनुअल रिपोर्ट इज इंपॉर्टेंट. ठीक है, अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट सेंसस, आई होप एवरीबडी ऑफ यू वुड नो दैट सेंसस आर द population statistical data that comes in every 10 years, right? So similar so that can be asked in examination, and similar to that we have some census in our agriculture also that comes in their own respective 5 years time gap. ठीक है, that can also be asked, जैसे agriculture census, handloom census, livestock census. अब what sort of questions are asked? ठीक है, वैसे तो in latest one you can understand that okay, whatever be in reports the data will be present, that can be asked. I have added here some a little bit back previous year questions to make you understand that sometime what other sort of questions can be asked where you can get confused. ठीक है, अब ये recently in 24 and 2023 year trend it was not observed, but before that it was observed, and that is why we are going to talk about it. ठीक है, as per the key statistic and financial statement of regional rural banks. अब by reading regional rural banks you might think regional rural banks, do we have to do annual report of all the banks? No, that is not the case. This particular report, the key statistic and financial statement of regional rural banks, it was published by NABARD. And now any report that is published by NABARD in that financial year, it becomes important. ठीक है, तो उससे there was a data specific question that was asked. Second is census. I said this census a question can become. Now what is the basic question that you can expect from census in this examination of NABARD, especially in the ARD section, that is to know the rural population. ठीक है, ऐसे क्वेश्चन आ जाते हैं. अब ये थर्ड सॉर्ट ऑफ क्वेश्चन कैसे आते हैं, दैट इज एज पर द यूएनईपी गैप एमिशन रिपोर्ट, हु ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द लार्जेस्ट कंट्रीब्यूटर ऑफ ग्रीन हाउस गैस. ठीक है, अब हाउ टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट रिपोर्ट्स टू कवर एंड व्हाट नॉट टू कवर. ठीक है, प्लीज कीप इन माइंड दैट वट एवर रिपोर्ट has been published by any national or international government organization, and if it caters to your syllabus, it becomes important from the examination point of view. ठीक है, अब if you look at the syllabus, and we have highlighted also ecology and climate change are part of it. ठीक है, and your greenhouse gas, it is related to climate change. ठीक है, so because this particular report it catered to your syllabus and it was there in news, that is why question was asked in examination. ठीक है, and whenever there is ranking based any report, always keep in mind who are the top ranker, means who came first. For example, here the largest contributor was asked, who was first in the ranking, and what is the ranking of India. Both these things are very very important फ्रॉम द एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. ठीक है, इंडिया का भी याद रखने क्या रैंकिंग है और फर्स्ट कौन आया है वो भी याद रखना है. फाइनली जेनेरिक करंट अफेयर्स, लाइक जेनेरिक कोई स्टैटिस्टिक अगर हो एग्रीकल्चर का, दैट कैन बी आस्क्ड. एमएसपी क्या है, लेटेस्ट एडवांस एस्टिमेट क्या है, परफॉर्मेंस क्या चल रही है एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर की, बजट इकोनॉमिक सर्वे में अगर कोई मेंशन है, ये सब चीज़ें पूछ ली जा सकती है. ठीक है, अब लेटेस्ट क्वेश्चन के देखिए, एज पर द हॉर्टिकल्चर सेकेंड एडवांस एस्टिमेट रैंकिंग पूछ ली थी, डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ प्रोडक्शन. सो बेसिकली वैसे दिस टाइम सच डिफिकल्ट वे द क्वेश्चन वाज आस्क्ड. Otherwise they just directly ask that as per the advance estimate, what is the expected production of plantation crops or fruit crops, or maybe they can go for specific crop ke tomato, potato, right? But this time, like anybody who knew the who exactly knew the expected production of all the commodities mentioned over here, only those could have done that. India's net zero target COP26 में कितना तक का है, क्यों net zero की क्यों बात हो रही है, because ecology and climate change it is related to your syllabus. Which of the following mission of government of India is to build human and institutional science technology capacity and climate change. देखो, in fact the current affairs that are asked दोज आर इन फैक्ट फ्रॉम द सिलेबस ओनली, ठीक है। तो इस चीज़ का आपको बहुत थरोली ध्यान रखना है। सो दैट वाज ऑल अबाउट इन दिस वीडियो, एंड वी ऑल्सो हैव some courses designed for you all, silver and gold courses. In gold course you get content for phase 1, phase 2 and interview, while for in silver you get content just for phase 2 and interview. And if you are willing to explore these courses, you can just tap on this particular courses link and you will be redirected to the website, ठीक है। So that is all in this video. If you have any doubt, you can ask me, and we will come up with more such videos which will be beneficial for your exam. And until then, please prepare very thoroughly and dedicatedly. I hope you clear the examination in 2025. All the very best for your exams.